Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. I'm myself Sandhya, faculty at Gautam Model School, Jiyaguda. Hope you all are doing good during this COVID-19 and following precautions instructed by government, and yourself also. Stay home, stay safe, and follow the precautions like whatever they are giving. Strictly follow social distancing, and please wash whatever you are getting from outside like vegetables and everything. Wash with soap water and wash your hands with hand wash, and where you cannot wash, just carry a sanitizer with it. Okay, just to not to go away of the track, and just we are recalling the all the subject wise and unit wise to the students to make them in the track. So I think today we'll start with the topic heredity. I think we have done with the introduction previously, so just recall it like what is heredity and all. So let us see what is heredity. We have seen already heredity is transfer of characters from one generation to other generation is nothing but heredity, and in other terms you can call it also inheritance. So don't get panic with the words and terminology because this is specifically used to explain you, but the meaning is very simple. Transfer of characters from one generation to another generation. What is this one generation and generation? Simple. One generation, let us say parents, and next generation, let us say children. So P1 we are calling it as parent generation, and F1 is nothing but next generation, that is called progeny. So what is this characters? So what are the characters you call it as? Like the hair, the eye like the color of your retina, and the height. See, generally you inherit in the characters that whatever your parents are having, the same characters you will be having, isn't it? Whenever, because you will have few characters from your parents, like your mother, or few characters from your father. Likewise, so that is nothing but heredity or inheritance. As I told you, like the characters which you get from your parents, that you can observe generally during whenever you see a new child is born, we start comparing the child with the parents, like his color complexion or his hair, and like what are the features he exhibit, we try to compare with their mother and father. That is how the characters are being shown. Though let us see few activities today for you. So see, this is the characters of two tables, two activities, like compare the characters of yourself with your father and mother and write your observation like your height, color and eye. Whether you are with your father height equal to your mother height, or your color complexion is equal to your mother or father, or your color of your retina. Retina means nothing but your eye. Is it black or brown, or somebody might be having blue eye, which are generally rare generally rare. The same way within the family group you are doing one activity, and do the same activity with your friends. Compare with your two of your friends, just like that. See what are your characters, like your friend and you are having same thing, like your height, color, personality and whatever, same thing. Just write your observation in the tables. This is the two activities that you can do during the introduction of this. Okay. Okay, see the table and the characters like whatever they are within your family. I told you, know, the observations you can write it on the right side last column, and whatever see in the textbook you can observe that whatever it is given. Okay. So coming to new characters and variations. So before I have given you the activity, you know, like what are the characters you are observing for you and your parents. So what are the, are you having the same characters, or the different characters between you and your grandparents, or within you or your parents, or is there any character which is present within your family itself but not with your grandparents? So is there any character present in your mom but not in your grandmother? Just observe these kind of things. So by these observations we can come to know a lot. Like see, as I told you, the characters which you don't have, I mean which your mother don't have, but your grandmother is having and you are having. This is like that. The variations is occurring in the generation to generation. So variation is nothing but differences in the characters within the closely related groups. Within the closely related groups means what I am saying, within the family, not with your friends. That's why I asked you to do the activity within the two, within your friends and you, and within your family. Okay, the differences between the characters within the closely related groups is nothing but variations. Okay, coming to, see, you can observe the picture, figure number 1 in page number 168. See what are the characters. You can observe the eyes, you can observe the ear lobes within you and your friends and with your family also. But these variations which you are comparing is not within you or your friends, it is between the closely related groups. So closely related groups are nothing but what? Your family, isn't it? That is how the variations are occurring. Okay, now you have, I think you have a chapter in the 9th class, that is diversity and classification. You have learned about these variations in it. Okay, now let us see about why, who has done the study on genetics and all. You know, we are very familiar with the scientist called Gregor John Mendel. So he is the father of the genetics. So in 19th century, Gregor John Mendel, he is a monk actually, but he is a scientist. He has not done experiments somewhere in the laboratories or anywhere. He has done within his garden, where his what you call ashrams will be there, no, the monks ashrams. There he has done his experiments, but he chose one plant. What is that plant? You know that plant. What it is called? Pea plant. Why did he choose only pea plant? Because the life of the pea plant is very short. The life of the pea plant is very short. That's the reason he has taken it, because for observation. Because it is not like you do it randomly, by today you do some work and by tomorrow you get the results. It is not such way, because the observation, it takes so many years to conclude one thing. That's what. So he chose pea plant because the life of the pea plant is very short, and there are so many characters in the pea plant which are differently given. So what are the characters he has shown in that? One is called, you can see the table. So father of genetics, Gregor John Mendel. So as we discussed earlier, so he is thinking like why these variations are occurring in human side and plants and everywhere. So what might be, how it is occurring, he just want to study, but he cannot do it on the human beings or animals, isn't it? So he has chosen a pea plant. Why he specifically chose pea plant? Because it is not a seasonal plant. It is produced in all the seasons, so there is no problem, because he can continually do the experiment, and the lifetime is very short, within 3 months. I think the 3 months will be the lifespan of the pea plant, and there are so many characters to compare and study. That is the main reason that why he has chosen the pea plant. So what are his characters here? So after observing so many plants, he has concluded that plant is having 7 different characters. So he chose 7 different characters to continue his study. So what are the 7 different characters? One is color, one is position, other is color of the seed, shape of the seed, shape of the pod, color of the pod, and length of the stem. So coming to color of, so what color he is telling? Color is a color of the flowers. You know that plants, when they, which are seed giving plants, what you call, or having flowers also initially. So the flowers are 2 colors you've seen. One is purple color, another is white color. And the position of the flower he is talking about. So what is the position of the flower? One flower is like axial position, another is like terminal position. So these are the the same thing, but with 2 different characters. So again is the color of the seed. The color of the seed is yellow and green. Some plants are giving yellow and some plants are giving green. So other is shape of the seed. Shape of the seed, either it is wrinkled or it is round. So another is the shape of the pod. The shape of the pod, what he is telling, one is smooth and some are constricted. So he is comparing the characters of within the plants, not in one plant. These all characters, he has observed so many plants and he has concluded these characters. And one is color of the pod. Even the color of the pod is, in few plants it is yellow and few plants it is green. And the length of the stem. Few stems are very tall and few stems are dwarf. Dwarf is nothing but short. So he has taken these 7 different characters after observing from the different plants and started doing the cross pollinations. Cross pollinations, you know, we have studied in the earlier characters, and has done with so many experiments and concluded that genes are, characters are being, some are, he has concluded the things like this characters are, few are expressed and few are not expressed, where we can see in the next class. This is a few examples what is given now. So okay, so I thank you Gautam Model School for initiating the digital classes, and the students, please be cooperative, and parents also, please make children study at home, watch the video, and if you like it, just like it, and if you want to make any changes, please do suggest us, we do accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching, take care.